How to play Minecraft multiplayer on PlayStation 4. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Minecraft multiplayer on PlayStation 4. Whether you want to play split screen with friends at home, join online games, or hop onto public servers, let's get started. Part 1. Local split screen multiplayer. First, let's look at split screen multiplayer. To use this mode, you need a TV or monitor that supports at least 720p and 2 or more PS4 controllers. 1. Open Minecraft and load a world. Connect the second controller and press the PS button. Then, sign in with a second PSN account. It can be local. 4. Once inside the world, press the Options button on the second controller to join. The screen will split automatically and you're ready to play together. Part 2. Online multiplayer with friends. Now, let's see how to play online with friends. Make sure you have PlayStation Plus and a stable internet connection. 1. Open Minecraft and go to the Friends tab. 2. You'll be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you have not already, do that now. 3. Add your friend's gamer tag and send an invite. 4. Join their world or invite them to yours. That's it. Part 3. Joining servers. Want to join public servers and meet new players? 1. Head to the Servers tab. 2. Pick one of the featured servers like the Hive or Miniplex. 3. Click Join and you will enter a server hub where you can choose minigames or survival modes. Just make sure your Microsoft account is linked. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Minecraft multiplayer on PS4. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.